You want this watermark in your video, so let's start. Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to make your own transparent watermark on Capcut. First of all, we open Chrome browser. Go to the search bar and type simple green background. Scroll down and click on Simple Background. Once it's open, click and hold the background. Then click on Download Image. Click on Download again. It will start downloading. Once Capcut is open, click on Edit. Then click on New Project. Click on Photos. Click on Green Background. Then click on Add. Click on Text. Click on Add Text. Write a text. Then click on Style. Choose the black color. Click on Effects. Choose this effect. Then click on the check mark. Once it's done, for exporting this watermark, click on Export. Once it's done, click on Done. Then click on New Project. Click on Video. Slap your project. Then click on Add. Click on Overlay. Click on Add Overlay. And click on this 5-second video latest. Click on Add. Then click on Supplies. And click on Overlay. Contact mark. Scroll from the bottom, click on Remove Background. Then click on Chrome key. Pick your color from your screen like that. After that, click on Intensity and increase the intensity. Then click on the check mark. Now, this is the final result. Click on Export, your video will start exporting. Once it's done, your project is now done. You can share this project with anybody on Instagram Stories, WhatsApp, Facebook, and others. You can also share this project to your TikTok. That's the way to create your own transparent watermark in Capcut. If you found this video helpful, Please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.